What's up, Simonics? Welcome back to day 8 of our Ionic holiday calendar. Today, as I wanted to have a little special on every Sunday, so last Sunday we had the success stories, and the next Sundays we will also have some cool things planned. But today I wanted to give you a gift that you can give. So this is really a gift that is for all developers and the persons in your life that you don't know what to give them anyway. For a limited time, you can now purchase a package of 2 months of the Ionic Academy for the price of $39. You will then receive an automatic email with a coupon code and send this to your friend, colleague, brother, sister, whatever, and they can enjoy the Ionic Academy for 2 months basically for free. If you want to do a special person a favor, if you just want to support what I'm doing, then this is the perfect gift if you don't have something for them yet. I think I don't have to tell you too much about the Ionic Academy. I think you saw the behind the scenes vlog. If you didn't watch it last Thursday, I think, the vlog about everything that I do. Basically, the Ionic Academy is my platform to help you with everything around Ionic. We got, I think, 40 plus courses by now. We have a community, we have a private Slack channel. Every now and then we got new deals for resources, templates. We have every other week a quick win. So really a lot of content going on in the Academy, and I'm improving it all the time. I'm not promoting it too much. Usually I just say it at the end of my videos, and I have links below my videos. I try to let my content and the things I did around for basically 4 or 5 years talk for themselves or speak for themselves. You know that I create weekly Ionic content for that time. And if you want to support me, you can check it out. And also, if you want to make some other developer friends or family members happy and help them to learn Ionic, to build the app of their dreams, or whatever their plan might be, then this could be the gift for them. So the link is right below the video, Ionic Academy/gift. You can also just type it in if you're cool. And then we will hopefully meet soon in the Academy, or I will meet your friend or colleague. Tomorrow we will have another regular day of our Ionic holiday calendar, and next Sunday we will again have a tiny special, so 2 more Sundays in our calendar. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope to see you inside the Academy. So next video tomorrow, stay tuned.